Welcome to Study Abroad Consultant CRM. Its web bases and all data will be saved in cloud, which can be managed anywhere at any device. We have four main parts in this CRM. leads to applications, payments, export the saved data. Let's start. This is our main dashboard. Click on leads and then add new lead. Fill the lead entry form as per your requirement and save the lead. You can see the new lead dashboard. The second part is if your lead will mature and you have to shift an application. Click on leads. Click on view all leads. Scroll right to the three dots. Click and edit. Change the status of lead to applicant. And again, fill the pending data which is required for application submission. Your lead will be converted to application. You can go to the applications and view all applicants on this page. Scroll right to the three dots for edit and change the application status of the applicant. Now go to the third part, which is payments. Click on payments and you can see all the applicants in this page. Click on add payment. Click on the applicant. Select the date and enter the amount. Click on add payment to submit to the database. You can see the received payment in payment dashboard. The last part of the CMR is export the data. Click on exports. Select the category you want to export. Select the lead or applicant. Your data will be exported in Excel file.